Imagine this. You managed to get your hands on the brand new, beautifully designed MacBook Pro with built-in touch bar functionalities and an all-out USB-C ports. You want a device that can possibly connect to your external monitors. That device is the StarTech USB-C Multiport adapter, fully capable of supporting 4K, HDMI, VGA, USB 3.0, and an Ethernet port. It's a sleek, compact, and durable design. You can get this from either the StarTech official website or from Amazon. Check out the links in the description below. Now sit back and relax. Pay attention. A wild meme can appear.
Here. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's a PlayStation 4! It's a PlayStation 4!
Hope that was enjoyable. And now for the real test. I'll plug the adapter into the USB-C port. And be aware, you can use either side of the plug. After plugging the HDMI cable in, ensure your device is on and give the adapter a minute to recognize your external monitor. Splendid. It works. My name is Will. And I still have no closer. Damn it, Clifford.